Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're cooking up a pan-grilled deli ham sandwich at the pit. And it's real easy to do. Deli ham sandwich. You need a deli ham. You've seen these before, right? They're processed and formed. They're extremely lean, almost fat-free. It's actually a very good quality ham, no matter what the clueless food cops will say, all right? All right, so deli ham has been sliced, and you want to slice it real thin. You want to shave it. All right. Now, let's put this together. First we're going to do is make a sauce. And we're going to start out with about 48 ounces of your favorite chili sauce, right? There's all kinds of brands out there. Select a good brand of chili sauce. To that, we're going to add about 64 ounces of chup, or ketchup, right? And of course, use your favorite ketchup. To that, we're going to add some brown sugar, about 4 tablespoons, right? Here we have a tablespoon of chili powder. And to that, we're going to add some white vinegar, or you could substitute apple cider vinegar, right? And you're going to need a couple cups. This really kicks up this sauce, right? Lip smacking good, if you know what I'm saying, right? Just add some of that vinegar in there. Then add some hot sauce, a touch or two. This is optional. You can always increase the heat on this. Works good. And give it a good mix. All right. Oh man, this is gonna be good. Trust me. You'll be drinking this out of the refrige if you have any leftovers. And yeah, get out of the way. Let's mix this thing. Perfect. Oh. All right. So, like I said, the ham has been shaved. And now we're gonna pan fry it. A little bit of oil on the bottom there. Oh, it smells good. This is a great way to do your deli hams. Fry them first before you hit the sandwich with it, right? So, a quick fry. Bring on a slight sear. Oh yeah. This is some good living at the pit, I'm telling you. So, you pan fry it just a bit, throw it in another pan, and you want to keep this up. We've got 6 pounds of sliced ham here. And just keep on doing it. Oh yeah. I told you it was going to be simple. All right, now, between layers, just ladle on some of your sauce. Just makes it easier to mix later, right? Oh, yeah. Look at that. Hoo-wee. Keep it frying.
Yep.
And start a fire. We need a fire for this recipe, and we'll show you in a bit. All right. Another batch fried, layered on. Oh yeah, are you kidding? I'm telling you, ham doesn't get any better than this. Even one of those big fancy ass hams, right, for the holidays. Serve them a sandwich like this. Oh yeah, ladle on more of that sauce. Just salivating here. Look at that. Oh man. Oh yeah. More sauce. We could just keep doing this over and over and over again, right? It just doesn't get old. Unless you're on the wrong damn channel. Then see ya. Look at that. Whoa. Looks ready to eat, right? No, it's not. This is just a start. Put the cover on, and we're going to head to the fire. Now, this is going to take another couple hours of slow simmer on your fire, right? So we'll put it on our Santa Maria. And we can easily adjust the heat, right, by raising and lowering the grate. And we want a slow simmer, like I said, 2 hours, 2.5, before the beer runs out. Whoa, can you smell that? It smells good. And if you can't, you're on the wrong damn channel. Uh-oh. Here come the clueless keyboard food cops. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, bad boys. Take a look at that. Whoa. Slow simmer. It'll further tenderize this. Those Vegematic food cops will never stop. Food cops went by. They could smell us, but they couldn't find us. All right, let's make up these sandwiches. Are you getting hungry or what? So, get yourself a good deli roll. Having a decent roll is always critical, right, to a good sandwich. Oh, take a look at that. Lord have mercy. We're eating good tonight, Martha. Where the hell are you? All right, you can serve these sandwiches up any way you want. We've got some nice, fresh, jarred peppers. And just get in line. Oh, yeah. Pile it on. Eat your heart out. Next. Again, pile it on. Get those juices down into that bread. How about another one? Jitter shows up. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Now, of course, we could have gone to the end of this video, right? Just did the eating scene, but hell. You've been waiting 3 or 4 hours for this, so you can suffer right along with us. Oh yeah, look at that. Whoa. I mean, again, you could set these up the way you want. Look at that. How about some fresh made slaw right there? It's a southern slaw. It's got a little bite to it. Nice, fresh, hot pepper. That's a cherry pepper there. You know about that, right? Ooh. Come on. Some slaw. Just keep making them sandwiches, Moose. Oh, yeah. Yep. There's just no more words for this. Yep. You gotta have your greens, Mama always said, right? Eat your veggies. Now, of course, this is a scene where these pit masters are gonna eat in front of you. And if you've been following us over the last 14 years, you know what all this is about. Ha ha! Whoa! It's good! Oh, man. So, of course, to get the exact recipe, head on over to our website. We appreciate your support. And remember, the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.